Stuck trying to add your card to Uber Eats and can't get your grub on? Let's fix that. First, head into your Uber Eats app and tap on the account icon, then navigate to the wallet or payment section. Look for Add Payment Method and select it. Now, carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV. Double-check every single digit. A common culprit is a simple typo. Even one wrong number can cause the card to be rejected. If it's still not going through, your bank might be flagging the transaction as suspicious. Give them a quick call to ensure there are no blocks on your card for online purchases. A weak internet connection can also cause issues. Switch to a strong Wi-Fi network or try using your mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Sometimes, a simple app refresh or even restarting your phone can clear up minor glitches. Close the Uber Eats app completely and reopen it. Check for pending app updates in your app store. An outdated version of the Uber Eats app can sometimes have compatibility issues with payment processing. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Uber Eats support directly. They have access to more detailed error information and can guide you through specific solutions. With these steps, your Uber Eats card issues should be a thing of the past. Enjoy your meal.